Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, you guys can clearly see that I'm in my bathroom right now. And right now, I am in my bathroom right now. And don't mind my hair, my mom has to do it. But today I am going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be doing another unboxing today. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So you see I'm all prepared. I got my headband all ready, girl. We got the one and only bubble. This is the literally legit unboxing that I'm going to be doing today. This is going to be like literally my legit favorite unboxing today, because we are going to be unboxing the one and only bubble. So it comes with 3 things. So yeah, it's dry skin. And we're going to be unboxing the bubble. So it comes with the facial wash, the perfume, and then like the lotion. So I'm very excited for today's video. Okay, excuse me guys. But yeah, we're going to be unboxing the one and only bubble today. So yeah. And yeah guys, so let's get into this video today. I'm actually pretty excited because I'm excited for you to post this video, because I just want to unbox this video. Unbox this bubble. So since I'm like just so excited, let's just do it right now. I'll be right back guys. Because there's tape right there, if you guys can see it. There's tape right there, and I need to get something to open. Wait. Okay. Thank you, Mom. Get out of here with your smacking gums. Don't mind my funny mom. Don't mind the smacking of her. Like her smacking of her gum. When she smacks her gum, she's like the way I'm literally like, oh my god, this is gonna literally take a while. Can I open it now? Can I open you? Like, I got you for example. Okay, this is low-key satisfying. Like, the way I was literally, like, opening it. Now, can I open it? Gosh, the tape is still on it. Okay, guys, I'm low-key excited. Like, okay, stop. Like, shut up. Oh, my God. It looks like I'm unboxing all the boo-boo, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm literally so grateful with my mom buying this. What is on my tongue? I'm so excited! Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this. Okay, so it looks like this is the spray. Okay, so this is like the bubble spray. It's actually super cute. Like, it's low-key cute. Put that off to the side. Wait, let's take a moment with this. Ta-da! Okay, Let's put that off to the side and then we'll use that later. Okay. Ooh. It's so smooth and moisturized. Okay. This is like the facial wash. This is like the facial wash bubble. Moment. Ta-da. And we got the moisturizer. So freaking cute! Oh my god. Wait, this is looking cute. The wheels on skincare go round and round. Did I say wheels on the skincare go round and round? Yeah, whatever. I just said wheels on the skincare go round and round. That doesn't make sense, but the wheels on the bus go round and... Okay, let me stop. But I'm low-key excited, guys. This looks like the drunk elephant. We don't need this box. What we need is this. Oh my gosh, guys. This is low-key cute. Oh, nobody wants to see your beauty. This is low-key cute, guys. This is low-key cute. Ah! Okay, I'm low-key excited, guys. First up, moisturizer. Wait. Oh, sorry, box. We need this. You're in the steps. So first, we have to use this. First, we have to use this guy right here. My mom said it's like a facial wash. Then, next we have to use this spray. Oh, it is a spray. So first we have to use this, second we have to use this spray. Then, of course, we have to use the lotion after. So yeah, guys, let's get into it. Okay, okay. We're gonna need you later. Looks like a mailbox. Okay, this is just trash. I don't even know why I'm doing all that. But still, guys. Okay, let me stop. Anyways. Okay, so it says that I have to use this first. Okay, so let's use it. Okay, so first I'm going to be wetting my face, but I need a towel, but there's a towel right there. But I'm going to be, like, wetting my face. My face looks so shiny like a bald head. Oh my god. This is going to be so moisturizing for me. My face looks so shiny. It's so shiny. Look at it. Okay, let's actually start. Okay, so first we have to use this something. Yeah, we have to use it. So first, number one, we have to use that. It says number one right there, guys, if you're confused. So first we're using this. Oh! Okay, I thought it was like a little bit broken. Okay, this is low-key cute. It's actually a little bit like thick. Barely someone's coming out. There. That's enough. I don't know what's this. Oh my god. Wait. Oh, it is soap. Oh my god. It is soap. Hopefully I don't. Ew. Why does it sound like that? ASMR. god. This better be worth it. Did I get all of it off? Oh my god. Okay, I didn't get all of it off because it's a little bit cold. And of course I have to get my stuff wet. And then I got it in my mouth. There's like sanitizer. But at least my skin is all smooth. Look at the difference. Like I said, so moisturized. I got some. Why do I always have to get the floor wet? That's so weird. Next up. Oh, I'm gonna drop this. Okay. Next up. Spray. Wait, what does it smell like? Oh, my cousin Dewey sent me something.
Give me a jiffy. I can't do visual recognition on this device.
Okay. Hello. Hello, it's not working. Mom, it's not working. Guys, wait just a minute. This is not working. I can't even smell it.
That'll be working much as it costs.
Did we put it on my face?
After the moisture, after the cleanse. So you cleanse, then you spray that, then you put the moisture on.
So, I washed my face already. Now next that I have to put on this. So do I have to put on my face?
Just spray it on your face.
Okay. So my mom just fixed it, and I thought it was like a perfume, but it's actually for my face. Oops. Oh god, it's not working. Okay, I don't want it to put too much. It kind of, oh my god. Why am I always getting stuff in my mouth? Like that's, yeah. Okay, it kind of has a scent. It's like, I don't know, like a mint smell, a rose smell. I don't know. It smells like roses, to be honest, but, well, it's not really a perfume, but it doesn't have a smell, so, yeah. Okay, next we have to put on my favorite part, the bubble. Oh god, I had a hair. Oh god, okay. Oopsies, I got in the water. And guys, just so you know, oops, I still have the water. But yeah, put you guys back there. Okay, now, oops, I want you guys to see. Okay, so now I'm gonna put everything back on. So, and now I have to like wipe the extras off. There. Okay. Okay, I did that. Now we're gonna put on the bubble. Wait, did it? Guys, I didn't know if I said it. I think I didn't, like, never mind. Hello? Is this a... Oh my god. Am I supposed to take this off? Oops. I took it off. I don't think you're supposed to take it off. Look what it said, guys. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god, I think I put too much. I put too much, guys. Looks like I'm putting on sunscreen. Oh, I think I'm supposed to, but now let's spread it on my face. Some moisturizing. It does have this. Oh look, I made a little flower. Why does it look like that? Oh my god. Okay. Okay, let's rub it. Rub this. Rub that. Cheeks. Chin. Everywhere. Hopefully this is worth it because I don't know what it cost, but I think it was like, I mean, it kind of worked. It's just, why does my cheeks look a little bit red? I don't know. Wait, this is low-key, giving. Oh, I need to put it on my eye. Let's put a little bit. Okay. Okay, this is actually looks so cute, guys. It actually looks super moisturizing, guys. I do not have skincare, guys. I just have like more facial washes. Okay. I used the bubble. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Well, yeah. I used it. So first you're supposed to use the bubble. Then you're supposed to use the spray. Then you're supposed to use the spray. Then you're supposed to use like the moisturizer. So yeah, guys, they're little triplets. Well, yeah, guys. That's all for today's video. If you want to watch more of my videos, like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.